This is a disaster.
特别好吃，谢谢你Tracy，谢谢你。
Hi guys, this is Tracy. So I have a lot of sour cream in my fridge and I want to see how I can use them. So I went on YouTube to watch sour cream recipe ideas and I found one from the Fundamental Home, which is the sour cream blueberry pie, and it looks absolutely amazing. I actually don't have pie crust, no vanilla extract, no mixer, no... Okay, I have an oven, but never mind. Don't have a pie pan, but I worked out some foil paper kind of box, and it turned out very different from what it should look like. But I never really go with the recipe accurately, so it makes sense why it looks bad. But I tried my best to prepare this crust. The oven that is preheat at 400 Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Sugar into the bowl. 1, 2. That's a lot of sugar. Not using this many sugar. 1 cup of sour cream. Okay. Well, something about me is I don't really listen to the exact measure, so I ended up being interesting every time. We don't have a mixer, so I gotta do this by myself. And a half cups of blueberries. I have no idea what it means. I need to water. I think this is not enough because our tray is kind of big. Oh my god, that's a lot of flour. What I'm gonna do? Put in more sugar. This is what it looks like. We'll add these blueberries into the mixture and then mix it. I feel like we should add more blueberries. More blueberries in. Mix. This is looking good. This is my crust. Still crunchy little things, but I'll go with that. I'm too tired to rebake it or anything because our oven is broken, and currently I'm using my neighbor's oven, so I don't want to kind of make things complicated. Okay. I'm so nervous, oh my god. Should be done.
This is a disaster because I didn't put any foil onto it. Well, it's not like a disaster. It's still edible. Ooh, actually, look at that. Oh yes. Wow. Look at that. It's still like kind of sticky-ish. So these people go back to the oven.
我就喜欢吃脆脆的。
那我应该多
我觉得你非常
把皮给
成功
你一点。哇，你看这个 crust，金灿灿的。
真的好吃。
OK， 走，吃它。
啊，好香啊！
它好好看，我的妈呀
Finish。
OK， 吃它。
三还没明白白。
认真品味。 为了半天他说烫。
还有什么面粉，还有烤箱。
吃它。
那个特别好吃，谢谢你推，谢谢你。
商业尬也，你说的不是真话。
那是真话，我承诺是真话，谢谢你。
渣男。